Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a biscuit vending machine. First, you'll want to thoroughly research potential locations, looking for areas with high foot traffic like offices or public spaces. Next, establish a clear budget for both the machine itself and your initial stock of delicious biscuits. Finally, choose a vending machine model that reliably dispenses biscuits and fits your chosen location. Once your plan is solid, it's time to acquire your machine. You can purchase a new or used commercial-grade vending machine, or even consider a DIY kit if you're handy. After securing your ideal location, ensure you have all the required permits and licenses. Then, fill your machine with a diverse selection of popular biscuits to appeal to a wide range of tastes. Operating your biscuit vending machine successfully requires consistent attention. Make sure to regularly restock your machine, keeping popular items readily available for customers. Routine cleaning is crucial for hygiene and maintaining a professional appearance. Additionally, closely monitor your sales data to understand what's selling well, allowing you to optimize your product selection and pricing for maximum profit. To truly grow your biscuit vending business, focus on marketing. Implement local strategies like flyers or social media posts to attract new customers to your machine. Consider offering special promotions or a loyalty program to encourage repeat purchases and build a dedicated customer base. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. Expanding to new locations or adding more machines can also significantly boost your reach and revenue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.